Today, I'm going to show you AI image editing tools. Each of these services has its own advantages and unique features. Some of them are completely free and unlimited now. First one is ReCraft AI. You can edit and generate images inside projects. Add the images to the canvas by dragging and dropping them here, or click here to upload image. Fine-tune option allows you to create variations of your image. Select model. You can set similarity strength here. Enter some prompt. You can define color palette for the images you'll get. I'll import it from some image on my computer. You can change all the colors in this palette. You can get up to 2 images in one generation. In ReCraft, you have 50 daily credits, and each generation costs 1 credit. Images are ready. Good result, but there is some issue with nose on each image. If some problem constantly appears in your images, try to change different settings, including similarity, model, prompt, and negative prompt. Don't forget that you can adjust color settings of the images you added or generated. Here is Modify Area, also known as inpainting option. Want to make the hair white, so I entered corresponding prompt. Model will be the same. Click on this bucket button to clear selection. Both images look good. And now I want to change clothing. Prompt is summer blue dress. Obviously, this is not what I wanted to see. I'll make second try with modified prompt. I specified that girl wearing this dress. Much better. Erase area option works almost the same as in the other image editors. This leaf didn't completely disappear, but became blurry. I added another image and I'll try to remove smoke. It disappeared. So you see that it works better for objects with background that is completely different from these objects. Background remove. If I apply it to the portrait, you can see that it recognizes all the hair correctly and there is no leaves in it. You can change background on your images. This option removes current background and generates new one with your settings, prompt, model, etc. I replaced jungle with Eastern European city. The only disadvantage of this feature is that lighting of the object and new background can be too different, and you can vectorize your images. So it is in scalable vector format now. Okay, I'll disable my previous action. Upscale significantly increases images resolution and makes them sharper. If you want to save your image, right-click on it and select Image Format. Go to History tab to see all the images you've created here. Next tool is Piclumen AI. It's completely free right now. Go to Creation tab and upload your image here. Click on it to see full list of available options. Remix and Upscale are only for images generated inside Piclumen. Remove background option won't work well for this image because it's landscape. I don't like this Vary option because all the variations are far enough from the original image. InPaint works pretty similar to ReCraft AI. My prompt will be Autumn Forest. Not the best result because of these unclear things on the right side. Second attempt looks better. And you have to know that InPaint is good for modifying existing objects on the image but not creating new ones. My prompt was blackbirds flying in the sky, but almost nothing changed. Colorize feature originally made for colorizing line art, but you can use it for creating variations of your images, which will be really similar to original one but with different colors. My prompt is soft autumn colors. And second attempt, prompt is vibrant. The plant was purchased by Willy Wonka or Walter White. Expand option. Drag these borders or use these buttons to set the areas which will be added to the image. Left side of the sky is a little bit blurry, but this is really good result at all. And I can expand my image one more time. Still not bad, as you can see. Now image resolution is 1984 by 1320 pixels, so it is too big to continue editing. And now I'll upload portrait and show you how to edit this type of images. Remove background feature as good as in ReCraft AI. Vary option creates realistic images, but faces aren't similar to original one. Expand option. I'll define area of image expansion and won't use prompt this time. You can see that there is problem with hands on the first 2 images created without prompt. Colorize feature allows you to create really good variations of portraits, but of course, face of the character won't be 100% the same. And now I'm going to change clothing of this character. Prompt is white summer dress. This image is perfect as for me. And I'll expand this image, but I'll use prompt this time. Great result at all, but my first and second attempts have the same problem. Such artifacts may appear on the expanded images because of some lines or frames just on the edge of the original image. So it is better edit the original image to remove unnecessary things before expanding it. And I don't recommend you to use InPaint to change face or its parts because results are often creepy enough. Watch my video about consistent characters instead. There are different ways to create images of the same person and then animate them if you want. And finally, you can upscale your images for free without any limits. Go to Image tab. Here you can use search or scroll through this list of available options. Here is Upscale. Upload your image. You can make image twice or 4 times larger. Save the result to your device or Google Disk. Images upscaled with TinyWow aren't as sharp as if I upscaled them in ReCraft AI, but results are great. Thanks for watching.